That's hot.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Perfect.
It looks like, you know the film The Secret Garden?
Wait.
I can see it.
Haha.
You know the film The Secret Garden?
Yes.
It looks like we're there. We're on our way to the Secret Garden.
We're on our way to Narnia!
Yay!
Oh.
You broke my knob. You broke your wang!
I broke my wang.
Broke your wang, Beanie.
No, we're not off to Narnia. We're off to see the Wizard. If I just hope it's not that bad. Well, technically it's the Wizard of Gateside, but still.
Okay.
You can tell. Oh, Big Leaf. You can tell I'm special.
Yeah.
Big Leaf.
Go and get one then.
I can't. There's sticky nails in the way.
Well, wait. I think there's big. Well, there's a big leaf there.
But these big leaves don't multiply. That big leaf's not. I can't use that big leaf. Without falling in a ditch.
There's a big leaf.
I need a decent big leaf. That leaf has a hole in it.
They all have holes in them.
No, they don't. No, they don't. That one doesn't. Look at that mother sucker big leaf.
That is a mother trucker big leaf. It probably has a hole in it too.
How? Come on, Lily. This one's got sprayed in on it. I don't know about that though.
No, pick it up.
There's a hole in it. It's like right into the plant.
I'm gonna take pictures.
It's never.
I'm gonna take pictures of you.